Welcome, Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Tuesday, November 8, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's weather, high of 85, low of 62.
Tuesday, November 8th. Breakfast pizza, juice choice, fruit choice. Lunch, beefaroni, green beans, breadstick, corn nuggets, fruit choice, juice choice.
Today's announcements. PLP District has provided our 2 PLP indicators for this year. You will soon receive the indicators and example of a PLP using these indicators. Be on the lookout for this. Insights to Behavior District required training. All certified staff should have received an email from Insights Insights to Behavior on 10/19. All certified staff must complete the training by December 12th, as stated in the email you received. Late duty, November 8th, Ms. Bolton.
November 7th, faculty meeting, already PD. November 10th, Thanksgiving feast. November 11th, Veterans Day, no school. November 15th, class spelling bees. November 16th, PACE field trip. November 17th, tutoring ends. November 18th, Feel Good Friday, Kona Ice. November 21st through 25th, Thanksgiving break, no school. Monday, November 28th, faculty meeting. Tuesday, December 6th, school spelling bee.
Happy birthdays, Demi Johnson.
Congratulations to our already stars of the week. Top K through 1 classes, Miss Waller. Top 2nd through 3rd grade classes, Miss Hatcher. Top 4th through 5th classes, Miss Bertolino. Top K through 1st students, Raymond Brown's 14 lessons past clock. Top 2nd through 3rd student, Justin Douglas, 12 lessons past Hatcher.
Top 4 through 5th student, Ronald Colin, 8 lessons past Langford. AR superstars have met their quarter goal. Archer, Cameron Andrews, Cedric Clifton, Miss Bertolino's class, Jordan Fulton,
Yeah, okay. Jordan Fulton.
Braylon Jones, Johnny Ramos, Miss Lakefords class, J.C. Young Davis, Miss Moore class, Rowan Doe, Miss Waller class, Khalil B, Daryl Brown, Ethan Foster,
Darrell
Brown, Ethan Foster, Lila Cowes, Marvick Martin, Melly Martinez, and Kenay T. Smith.
Send us your questions. Are you curious about something? Always wonder how some things work. Send us your question and it may be chosen for our question of the day to be answered by our research team. You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library.
Question of the day. Adeline came up with a great question and Cohen and Adeline found some great questions. How do sponges live underwater? They are 5,000 species sea sponges have a shell-like or glass outer layer covered with tiny pores, ostia that travel deep into the soft structures within. These pores allow water to follow in and out of the sponge, and this way sponge gathers the food and oxygen it needs to thrive and release waste. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Tuesday.